여러분 안녕하세요. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Korean Fluency Journey. 여러분, today I will explain negation with 지 못하다. So 지 못하다. So most people, learners think that it's a different grammar structure, but no, it's the same with 못 plus verb. So let's get started. So 지 못하다, first of all, the meaning is someone's inability to do something. So we use it when we cannot to do something because of external factors, because of external reasons. So in that case, you say 지 못하다. So it is the same as this structure, 못 plus verb. The only difference is that in this structure, you use first the particle 못 and then you use the verb. In this structure, so you use first verb and then 못하다. Okay, and this is called like a longer form of negation, and we use it mostly with verbs because only verbs can refer to some kind of action, right? To do something, to listen, to watch, to earn. So these are all verbs that can be used with 지 못하다. So the simple form of negation with 못 was like this, right? So we use 못 and plus verb, right? So, and it becomes like 못 먹어요, 못 먹어요, or 못 봐요. So I can't eat, I can't see, or I can't watch, right? So next one is the verb, and then you add 지 space 못하다. Okay, so 먹다, we have a verb 먹다, and 먹, you need to take the part without 다. So forget about 다, just take the 먹, and then 지 못하다. 먹지 못하다. So becomes 먹지 못해요. Or it's the same with 못 먹어요. So it depends on you which one you prefer. 먹지 못해요 or 못 먹어요. Almost the same thing. Well, not almost, but it's the same thing. 보다. Oh, this is a mistake. 보다, it should be 보다. So 보, we take the part without 다, and then 지 못하다. It becomes 보지 못해요 or 못 봐요. I cannot see. I can't see or 못 봐요. Both are fine. Okay? But you should be very careful with the spacing. So most learners, even Koreans, I guess, make this mistake, this common mistake. So when we use, it's one word, 못하다, right? So we do not separate it like this. This is wrong. 먹지 못해요. No, we say 먹지 못해요. 먹지 못해요. So you should remember that it's a one word, so we cannot separate it. Okay? 먹지 못해요. Okay, I can't eat it. And next one is 보지 못해요. So we don't say 보지 space 못하다. No, this is wrong. So we should say 보지 못해요. This one is correct. Okay? 보지 못해요. There's no space after 못. 보지 못해요. If you confuse this, then you can use the first version of negative sentence with 못 plus verb. It's 못 봐요, 못 가요, 못 와요, right? It's simpler for most students. It's simpler than just 지 못해요. So, but just knowing 못 plus verb doesn't mean that you should not know the 지 못하다, because there are some people also, including native speakers, using 지 못하다. So in that case, you need to understand, okay, so the person is talking about the negative sentence, right? He's using negative. So, yeah. And then let's look at the example sentences, how this negative article is used in the sentences. So the first one is 노래는 잘 하지만 춤을 잘 추지 못해요. So 춤을 추다, right? There's a verb expression 춤을 추다, like dance. I'm good at singing. 노래를 잘하지만 but I can't dance. 춤을 잘 하지만 it's like a but. 노래는 잘 하지만 춤을 잘 추지 못해요. Or you can say 잘 못 춰요. 잘 못 춰요. Next one. 자주 보지 못하니까 더 보고 싶어요. Since we are not seeing each other often, I want to see you even more. 자주 보지 못하니까. So as you can see, there's 지 and then 못하다. There's no space, right? It's used as one word. 자주 보지 못하니까 더 보고 싶어요. 더 보고 싶어요. Okay? And the number 3 is 돈이 없어서 한국에 가지 못했습니다. 돈이 없어서 한국에 가지 못했습니다. So that means I didn't have money, so I couldn't travel to Korea. I couldn't go to Korea. So 가지 못했습니다. So this is the negative particle, 지, and then 못했습니다. 지 못하다 is like always a fixed expression. It comes together. Okay? And you can also remember that we can use 지 못하다 in present, in past, and in future as well. So 못 봐요, 못 봤어요, 못 볼 거예요. So, and then the same thing, 보지 못해요, 보지 못했어요, or 보지 못할 거예요. So you can use with present, past, and future. Okay? So yeah, that's it. That's it for the 지 못하다. So now from my previous videos, so now you can make negative sentences in Korean with 안 and then plus 지 않아요. And next one is you can make sentences referring to someone's inability to do something with 못해요. And then the second form is 지 못해요. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you have any questions, suggestions, or ideas, you can always leave them below this video or reach me through Instagram or email. I will be glad to help you. 여러분, 한국어 공부 화이팅 하세요. 감사합니다. See you in my next videos. Bye.